Alright, so we got our no cool call. It's 93 inside. We're asking for 70. We're gonna go to the outside machine. Let's see what we got. Let's go for here the fan running. So it looks like we got a code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So I took power out for 15 minutes. Checked the capacitors during that time, and everything is running. So just gonna wait and see what happens. Outdoor fan motors throwing hot air. So we let the machine run. It dropped all the way to 86, so we're done here.